for the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Now, I will move the animals and all the toys here. So, let's start from the Iron Man. Let's take this Iron Man.
You throw another moon at me.
And put the Iron Man here. Okay, and then the next is Lion King. I will take this Lion King. And put the Lion King here. So what's the next? I think the next is horse. Alright, let's take the horse. And I will put this horse here, near of plane. And then the next is rhinoceros, of course. Okay, let's put this rhinoceros here, near of Iron Man. And then what's the next? I think the next is white horse. So let's take this white horse. And I will put this white horse here. And then the next animal is buffalo. Let's take this buffalo. And put the buffalo here. And now I will take this Poli.
I think what would be really neat is if you put them away before Jin sees they're gone.
And let's put this Poli here. Okay. And then the next is sheep. I will take the sheep. And put the sheep here, near of rhinoceros. And what do you think about the next? I think the next is mountain goat. Let's take this mountain goat. And put the mountain goat here, near of white horse. So I will take the dump truck. This is a dump truck. So let's put this dump truck here. And what's the next? I think the next is goose. Let's take the goose.
Ada angka.
And put the goose near of truck. Okay. And what do you think about the next? I think the next is Antman. Let's take this Antman. And put the Antman here, beside of the Iron Man. And then there is a panda, Thor, and sheep. So I will take the sheep first. Let's take the sheep. near of Poli. Okay, now I will take the Thor. And then put the Thor here. Oops, I'm sorry, horse. Let's help the horse. And the mountain goat. And then the last one is panda. Let's take the panda. And put the panda here, near of horse. Okay, all the animals and all the toys was here. What do you think about the Thor or buffalo? I think I like it. Do you like it? Okay guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And goodbye!